Hello friends, good afternoon all. Hope all are well and enjoying your time with the great platform of Estimate. And I am enjoying my time with the natural beauty of the village of Nawabganj. I am traveling here to meet my younger sisters. And today I am going to showing you the beautiful natures, something like that, nature of the beauty. And you see the back front of my, it's one kind of flowers. We called it forest flowers. It's a great smell. I like also this smell. Okay, I am showing you something different. Let's stay with us. See the flowers. It's looking very nice, also beautiful, and it's have a smell. It's a nice smell. I like this smell. And see, very beautiful flowers. I think you also like this after taking the smell of the of these flowers. It's very nice. And today I am going to share with you something more. This is one kind of forest, and it's created forest, not natural. The problem in our country. Many people have much money and they buy a lot of land. After buying land, they put it uncultivated. They don't take any advantage of the land. They don't plant anything of the land. But here I'm going to sharing with you something different, and you see. And I am happy that my sister's father-in-law is something different. They buy this land, and after that they plant some good tree. And after 10 or 15 years, they can got a healthy amount from these trees. Also, this is very good for our environment, for our nature, and he benefited both way for the land and also nature, and he can get a healthy amount of money by after 10 or 15 years by selling this tree. It's a very good thinking. I like that. I hope you also like that. Though I think this is not planned the proper way. I think it's very constant thing. I think the distance more far away, because when it's healthy, it will more closed. Okay, friends, I am just sharing with you. Thank you all. Have a good day. Happy DTube.